Alden with short update. An evening run ni Alden. Yung mga kasama niya, mga ka-gym buddies niya. Sila Coach Mauro, si Prince at si Mitch. At meron din sila mga kasabay na mga runner dyan. Nakikita-kita sila dyan. Yun, no? May umiilaw doon sa braso ni Alden, no? Kaya na nga, nag-groupie pa nga sila, oh. And for Bench Active Run Club. Wow, may event pala si Alden. At yan pa mga maswerte nakapagpa-picture kay Alden. Tapos yun, may nanalo na, oh. And binuhat pa nga ni Alden, grabe yun. Yan, tuwan-tuwa pa nga yung binuhat ni Alden. Grabe yan, oh. For Bench Active Run Club. Yan, okay. With Coach Mauro, si Alden. Okay, papromote na rin ni Alden. Light camera lang.
So this coming May 11 po, I don't think everyone has heard of it already, but I'm hosting a fun run at the MOA Concert Grounds po. It's gonna be charity fun run called Lights Camera Run, MOA Fund charity fund run. So basically a little background there about what MOA Fund is. MOA Fund is a non-profit, non-stop organization that takes care of the welfare and medical needs of our marginalized showbiz industry workers. So yan po yung mga stuntman, mga makeup.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.